Owning a Porsche Panamera is a dream come true for most car enthusiasts, but it's not always as glamorous as it may seem. Today, we're going to be doing something that all car owners will have to face, and that's an oil change. Now, it's not as straightforward as most, being that it's a European luxury car, but it's definitely not as hard as you may think. And if you do it yourself, you'll save a lot of money than going to the dealership. All right, so one thing to remember is you have to put the car into jack mode. All right, so as you can see, we have an under panel here, like most luxury cars, but this one goes all the way across the whole car. So in true fashion, you're gonna have to take off this. Fortunately, this has the same screws. Some cars don't, but I think that's a T25. Step 1, drain the old oil. You know, it's amazing how special this feels, even though it's just a basic oil change. It really makes you feel connected to your car. Highly recommend it. Oh, and having a lift or ramps really does make this job a lot easier. So release the old oil. You want to remove the oil drain plug. We're going to use a T45 to loosen that up. Do have your rubber gloves and some paper towel available. As you can see, getting messy. Oh no. So we're gonna let this drain for a little bit. It holds 8.3 liters, so it may take a little bit for it to drain out, but just a waiting game now. All right, so now that the oil has finished draining, we are going to go ahead and wipe this off. I should have had the bolt ready. Once it starts dripping a few drips, we can go ahead and finish it off. It's gonna always be some left in there. We're gonna make sure it's seated correctly. All right, I didn't torque it down quite yet, just wiping it. Do a little clean. So let me get my torque. Only thing left to do now is torque this down to 18.5 foot-pounds of torque. All right, there you have it. Don't see any leakage. All right, so we're good. Let's go up to the top and replace the filter. All right, so we're now at the top of the engine where we need to change the oil filter. Now, Porsche didn't exactly make this easy to access, but once you get to it, it's a simple swap. Also, make sure that the oil filter is seated properly before you tighten it down. And when you do tighten the housing down, you don't over tighten it. Here is the housing for the oil filter. We're going to remove this with a 32mm socket. So the filter looks to be the same on both sides. But the way that it came out originally was the words went in first. Also, remember to replace this ring here. Take the old one off. Then you're gonna put the new gasket on there. I like to put some new oil on there just to lubricate it up before putting it on there. All right. All right, got that. Put the new filter in. Want it to click, we're good. So this is torqued down to 25 Newton meters, which is 18.3, let's just say 18.45 foot-pounds of torque. All right, so we're good there. All right, and now for the lifeblood of the engine, 8.3 quarts of Porsche approved Mobil 1 5W30. Now, you may hear 0W40, but check your owner's manual, see which one's right for you before you put any oil into your engine. Cheap oil might save you money today, but trust me, it's not worth the repair bill later. So get Porsche approved. Looking underneath, no oil leaking from our bolt, so we're good.